Good morning everybody, welcome here again from sunny Spain. Let's go on another hike. Today we go to the little mountain town called Frigiliana, and there we walk down a dry riverbed again, little canyon, and then we walk up the hill. We follow an old irrigation channel system back to town, and then from there we're going back home. So follow us, let's go, hope you have fun. See ya in Frigiliana. Here we are in Frigiliana. Let's go. So guys, as you see here, the riverbed is not so dry as expected. The last year, the year before, there was no water at all. So let's see how far down we get here. Otherwise we have to move upwards. Alright, this is what I wanted to show. For sure I'm not going down this freaking staircase here. Now we're going back up and then we do our hike which goes up the river and then to the irrigation channel. So here we are, I made it up the hill. We are now at the irrigation channel, and from here on the good news is it's all the way only downhill, no uphill anymore. Alright, I think it's also time to eat our sandwich. All we need to do here is keep the balance. Just keep the balance.